I'm gonna control the high. Don't get you my clothes. Bro, I look so tired. Bro, my hairline trash. Ah, yeah. All right, let's go, girl. Where you going? Get out. Go. I don't need you over here. I came to swerve. What's up? Let's go. Let's get started. Mic testing 1 2. Mic testing 1 2. 1 2 3 4. Let's get to fucking work. All right. So for this week, let's get right. So for the 30. So why is this shit? Oh my gosh. So I came to swerve. Think I got one L and one L. We're switching to 30% because car phone. So I came through swerving and was young and got me nervous. All right, let's go. So boom, boom. We got the 5. Boom. Move that to 1. Boom. So there's a couple of things I took. I'm glad. I'm still glad I took this trade. It was just a super rangy market today. I want to delete most of these shits. So it makes the chart look nasty. Always keep the gold line though. I think the 5:30. I will wake up at 5:30 tomorrow and get the trading. 5:30 to 7:30. If that shit go crazy, maybe it could bring me back. I've been testing the 5:30. That shit's been going super bananas. It's like I thought 5:30 was the weakest one, to be honest. But since 5:30, the thing it's just been going crazy. Today it's been a super rangy market. The market looks so nasty today, but it made up. It made its purpose. So what it had to do today. It was just rain. You gotta think about it. It went up like this, so it just rained. So that's understandable. That's understandable. I only took one trade. One trade. Let's see what we could have did better though. I'm deleting all of this, as y'all can see. I try to go. I try to enter through here. Gotta do something like this. Wake up, try to enter here, never work. So wait. Try to enter here. That would have been two losses. Wick here. I enter for this one. This is the only one I really entered. A nice 4 to 6 loss. Come up here. I would have probably entered again, lost again. Probably entered here one. Entered here one. Enter. Not here. I'll delete this. But we gonna retest everything. But we gonna delete a lot of stuff. This was a good EI. I like this EI. I like this EI. I'll take this. I'll take this 9 times out of 10. Take this 9 times out of 10. I'll take. Oh my gosh, I'm just stressed. I'm tired. 9 times out of 10, I'll take this trade. And then 1, 2. Could have took something right here. This. Kind of respected this. This is a good one right here. Another nearby. Hit here, almost hit TP. Lose, boom, boom. Comes down. Comes back up. That's another TP right here. TP starts to win around 2 o'clock. I see TP winning majority at 2 o'clock. Like as you can see from it since past 7:30. It's like EIs be winning. So shit. What can I figure out? Hold on. I need to write a note. I'm going live. Live. This is one of my notes for live. I gotta test the breakout strategy. Remember to test the breakout strategy this week. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I'm gonna have way more energy. I'm gonna try to see what I could have did today. The breakout strategy. And I'm gonna have to look at certain time periods. I want to. Where's my pen? Where's my pen? Bro, because what I am starting to notice is different time periods. So, live times, time zones. We got 5:30. We got 5:30 to 7:30. I think that's very successful. Probably like 8 to. Let me see where I entered these shits at. So boom, like 1:30. Let's see, 12. It hits 1. So around like I can say 1:30-ish to like 1:30-ish to like let's see 1:30-ish to like 4:30. I don't want to say 4:30. I'm gonna say 1:30 to 4. I like this one. So 4. I think that's second place. So first, second, I got 1:30 to 4, and then what is this? 8. to what? What is this shit? 8 to what? I guess 12:30. You can say you can really say like 12:30. Those are like main times. I got that in third place. So Tuesday. So Tuesday I got testing. Remember the back test breakout method. And then time zones. Oh shit! I don't know if I could do all this tomorrow. For playing Overwatch clips, unless I go live twice, make a good probability statistic video with good edits. I gotta start that today. Oh, let's see what I got for Monday. Cap cut expires. Read 30 minutes. Oh, audio. Review. You know what? I can change. Let's change that. Oh, I don't know why I'm doing all of this on live. I have to do this. Let's change this to Wednesday. We can change this to Wednesday because Wednesday we're off. We have so much time Wednesday. We have so much time Wednesday. Okay, let's go. So, because I'm starting to see patterns in this market. So, please excuse me. Please excuse me. Oh my God, yeah, it's starting to fall off. You know how you use your sticky note? It's starting to fall off. Oh my gosh! All right, So that's what I did for today. You ain't gotta. We're not gonna make this shit too long. What the fuck is it? Is this 30? All right. This is way more better. So, I've been seeing 7:30 been working. We could test it nearby. We still kind of testing things. We're gonna put in what's it called? We're kind of gonna add breakout strategy to I know the win rate is going to be low, but we're gonna see where can we execute majority. So we have 2 time limits: 5:30 to 7:30, 8 through 2:30, and 1:30 through 4. I'm not gonna lie, I'm starting to like the 1:30 through 4. Be winning through there. I notice most of the time I win. 7:30, 5:30 through 7. That's a good time, to be honest. I don't like when the market, like me, I trade on a 1 minute. I don't need the market to make 100 big move. I don't really care. I can really trade on any fucking time frame. You can really trade on any time frame, and that's the thing I don't like when people don't teach other people. You can really trade on any time frame. You can really trade on any. You could trade at now. You can trade fucking right now. Literally, you can trade right now if it's in your strategy. Maybe the spread probably kind of trash. So I don't know. Maybe the spread is like super trash. But 5:30 to 7 and 1 to 3, I like it. So let's go. So today, let's see, 5:30. So as you can see, it did this big move, range. Bro got a large range. So what it does, it goes in a large come here, breaks. This is a pretty cool trend. So right here, as you can see, what I got on my phone, on my life. So 0.3% on the prop firm. Okay, so Monday, I'm at win, close, come on, L, close, I, don't win today. We don't win today. All my life I grew up around some hustles in my all my life I grew up. And this is the our loss right here. So let's just test. So we're not really gonna test everything. We're gonna test what we seen, and then we're gonna test everything. I really want to put the breakout. The breakouts will come in Wednesday through Thursday, and then for the finalized test of 5:30 nearbys, EIs. I like the nearby because if I wake up at 5:30 every day and I'm just killing it, I will take out the nearby. I will take out the nearby. I will take it out. Maybe it's trash for gold, or I'll do 100 more tests and then go. And let's go. So okay, let's go to 1 minute. We're not going to look at everything like we used to analyze the market twice. There's no point of doing that. It's just wasting time. So I'll do these though, the ones I did look at. So what did I see here? A nearby smack comes down, comes to this 50. It hits 50. It goes straight down into loss. It comes back up. Crazy thing is, I seen another one right here. Right here should have entered. If I did enter, we'd have got the W for right here. So smack, enter. Entered again, smack for a W, smack for a W. That'd have been a 0.6. And now, so wick, I don't know why we drew this box. We deleted because this ain't no nearby. So smack. So smack. We wick. What the fuck? Why I gotta? So smack. Smack, wick comes up here, hits here. I'd probably count that as a nearby. Smack, nearby. Never kind of comes up in wicks. So smack. So look, smack comes down, smacks again. So smack comes down, smack comes down. Enter, wick. I like this one. I do. Because it comes smack, comes down, smack, comes down, and then comes back up, smack again. I kind of could respect this nearby a little bit. It's probably just a little wicked up. Or you can even do this nearby, smack again. But this nearby never hit. So I wouldn't be mad at neither nearby. Like if you didn't get this one, like say you didn't get this nearby, you wick and come up and hit your TP. Let's say you go for this nearby. You go for this nearby. I'm not mad at either. You just don't enter off this one. Because where do you enter? You come here, it almost hit here. Maybe you do enter. I probably wouldn't enter, and then it loses. So yeah, then it just dropped down. Then you see smack. It kind of smacks here again in this vicinity. Smack wick. You could have filled that up because what the fuck did I? Oh yeah, smack nearby comes. No, I ain't gonna. So, smack nearby. This is a nearby right here. Right here is a nearby. So I see this nice nearby break. So this would have been a W, 2 W's, smack. So smack. This is kind of like a nearby from other previous, but let's just say this is not a nearby. We got at least 2 nearbys though. So smack nearby W, smack nearby W. We now we're gonna quantify this. You can push this nearby to something like up here. I am gonna start looking for nearbys, as in like how much times it could hit 3 to 1. So I will have to start writing notes instead of just taking everything like I've been doing, like the consistent of the live. I will start writing notes how to better the strategy. Yeah, yeah. I want to find another prop firm too. Prop. firm for this trade. Locker. Okay, so I'm trying to find fucking prop firms to fucking enter. Thanks for the like. I don't know who you is, but I really appreciate it. Uh, I'm trying to find prop firms to enter. I was with top tier. I don't like the. I was killing it. I was doing. I don't know how much prop firms will allow this. So the most I lost was 0.5% on every trade, but certain lot sizes they don't like. So I'm trying to find a prop firm I could, increase the lot size maybe, and it got to be like a safe prop firm. I see a lot of 40 prop firms. I'm gonna do some research because I don't like it no more because I was dristing. I gotta risk 3.3%. I don't really want to risk 3% trading because look, I just made a maximum of 7% in 2 weeks, and maybe I could increase it, but cut that in half for 2 weeks because it's 7% on every percent. I counted for this one, so I made 3.5, but they took away my 3.5 because they said I over leveraged. So I'm in a negative, and I just don't like it. Like I don't know, man. I was gonna drop, but I ain't gonna drop a video. I can't. I don't want to speak it into existence, but yeah, they just. This would be a nearby. Maybe don't answer. Let's just say we don't answer. Boom. So boom, smack comes here nearby. Wow, right here. This would have been a W. This would have been a W. Smack nearby. Another fucking nearby. Comes here, smack, move, smack. So this would have been a loss. Oh my gosh, this bitch scared the hell out of me. Nah, she gotta go in the cage for that. Bitch, your ass in the cage. Oh, wow, that scared the hell out of me, bro. Maybe because I'm tired. That scared the hell out of me, bro. That scared all flying colors out of me, bro. Maybe because I'm tired. Maybe, but I can't do that, bro. Not right now. She barked. Usually she barked. I just be like, oh, okay. She barked, but I was too tired. That would have been a loss for that nearby. I like the nearbys on the 30. So nearby, hell no. Nearby, there's no nearbys. Breaks, no nearbys. Nearby. Wicks, no nearby here. No nearby here. All right, we're not gonna keep studying this. We're gonna go to the notes and see how good this actually is. So we're gonna go to. Let's see some. Let's see the bad numbers first. I always go with gold. Let's go with gold. So we're gonna go from 530 We're gonna do the 5:30 to let's see. So we got the nearby, the EI, the 7:30 to 5:30. Like I said, Wednesday we'll be putting a breakout in it. We might take out the nearby, but we might still test the nearby in the near future. So let's see. We might, depending on the breakout. We had tested for Wednesday through Thursday, Friday, and then we would go back and test it a bunch of times in these same markets. One thing I do want to test recently, US 30 been killing it. I used to think gold was gonna be better. I'm gonna give it a breather because you have to be realistic. You can't think off emotion sometimes. You do 4 days, gold probably is better. Like I said, maybe because when I retested previously, I thought gold was better than 30, but 30 is giving me way more qualifications. Like gold on which day was actually gold actually one day was break even while US 30 always had good days. So we're gonna see what happens here. We're gonna press replay. Let's see, we're gonna press replay. 5:30. You're gonna press replay for this 5:30. We're gonna delete this. We're gonna delete this and we're gonna copy. Not copy, we're gonna clone. And then we're not gonna lock, we're gonna change the date. No, we're gonna delete this. We're gonna put, what is this? I'm about to put the third. It's the fifth. So the fifth. So we're gonna test nearby. We're gonna test EIs. And I don't even think no EIs hit today. Because I only took that one EI off gold, and then I took one loss off W. I was really looking for the EI so I could just be 30%, 0.3%, and bring it, what was it, 1.6%. I would still been negative. I can't see, I would have been 2%. But because 3% sure, it's okay. Like, I ain't gonna lie, it's okay for like a 60 strategy percent rate. Like 3.3% is actually pretty cool, but I ain't gonna lie, as like if you taking prop firm challenges, I'm not trying to be realistically 0.253. That's good numbers. Don't get me wrong. Like risking two, you're not really never gonna worry about a trade, but you want to up it real quick. Like I wanted to do one, but I was thinking I started off bad with the prop. I started off like 2, 3 L's in a row. So that one would have been -3%. But I caught back up with uh the 4 to 1 RR. So I'm glad I did 0.5. So I lost like 3 in a row. I had 1 point instead of 3%, I had 1.5. One about 2 and cast the EA, cast the 4 or the R. That's about 3% back in profits. You feel me? So yeah, but yeah, they took that away. So we're gonna come here and we're gonna see what the market is giving us. So I like we can delete most of this. This is nasty. It's a point. We could delete some of this. We just want stats. We just want stats. We just want our stats. We just want our stats. I don't know which prop firm. I'm about to look up on YouTube and see what YouTubers say. And I want to get on Discord. Let me see Discord. Let me log on my Discord, see what people believe is the best prop firm. I'm so delayed right now, man. I'm glad I got on live. I was tired. Like top tier, I don't want it. Like top tier. It's like I don't want to trade hours of the day no more. Like they got promotions, cold calf. Uh, let me see. ain't in there really a lot of discourse, but let's start testing. I don't really got time for this bullshit. We still got fucking every time we test it takes a long time. I'll be forgetting. So we're going with buys. We're just gonna ride the trend for buys. So one pops up, we come here, see if it's a buy. Come, boom, boom, we enter. Down, 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 down. That's a L. So we write this first L for 5:30 to 7. 5:30 to 7, we write the first L. Like I said, gold. All right, we on another one. We could delete that. You want to say, let's say we take another one. There's another one right here. Let's get that push. Let's get that push up. Oh yeah, we entering. That's one right there. So that's one. I don't even know how much points these is though either. Let's see. Price range. So from here to here. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. It's about 2 points. About 2 points. Maybe about 2 points. Yeah, that's pretty good. No, I ain't gonna lie. That's decent. That's decent. So two, it goes up. Like I said, sometimes look. You know what? I want to. We should do this today so we won't forget how much time does it hit 2.27. So this is an extension. Oh my gosh. Extension. Oh, I don't want to do extension. Let me see. No, how I'm going to do this. This is what I want to do. I want to see how much times it will hit 2.27. You know what? This is what I will. Let's see. Let's see. This is what I'll do. 5:30, then 2. This is what I enter. 2.272. So we could do something new when we could see how much times the 5:30, because the 5:30 been fucking working numbers, but this is only for this is what I don't like. This is what I don't like. So we will calculate this. So this would have been, so this would be like a 3.1 RR. Oh my god. Okay, that looks nasty. That looks very nasty. You know what I'll do? I'll draw a different box. No, because I'm not gonna draw a different box. I'm gonna just keep this for it. I'm gonna keep this here for right. Ooh, that looks nasty though. No, because if I edit this from here, I know what everything is. Okay. So the 5:30 been doing so good. Even nearby, we could do EI. So EI is the. So EI is a. This is already a 3.1 RR. Nearby, I don't want to test that nearby. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really trust the nearby, but we're gonna do 5:30. Do one. So let's go. I like this. I like how this is looking. You pull out that fib. We gonna and then we see what happens. This is a nice area. Doesn't hit. It hits. We win. We win. You see this, and this is what happens. This is what happened with that. You know what? We're gonna keep it. We're still gonna keep it in mode. So this is not the 3R, right? No, no, that ain't 3R. So boom. We don't see nothing we are really into. Nah, like even like you can say this, but that's nasty. Like this is nasty work. Like let's see. Like hair nasty. That's I don't really like this. I it's too it's not like here like here you see this push here you see this push. This is a loss. I think we lost on that. Yeah, we lost on that one. Here I don't like that one. This is still up for debates. So here I kind of like this one. I kind of do. I do. So I wouldn't mind taking this one. So I enter. I don't. I don't. Let's see. It wins. Does it? You know what? We're gonna call this a loss. We're gonna be true. Like it does win, but uh, we're gonna call it. I don't like this. I don't. I don't. I don't. Uh, but we have to go back and look. The stats shouldn't lie. So boom, 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 boom comes here. Yeah, la. We could have entered here. We're gonna call this a loss too. So if we do that, can we call this one a loss? Because it comes here, it wakes up to here. Oh shit, that's not even a loss. But we're all right. We're just not. If that was a loss, that's crazy. I would have counted that. But that's not even a loss. So we're gonna do. So where we entered from? That's a P2, and that's TP. So we didn't even lose this one yet. We didn't even lose this one yet. So that's a W. So 4. Crazy. I thought goals. So 4. Let's see. Boom. Bam. Let's. You can enter. You can enter. Let's see if it goes down. Let's see. Let's see. That's a 5. That's a 5. Oh my gosh, it's actually going crazy today. It is going crazy, my boy. It's going crazy. Oh shit! How much times we entered? Okay. Cause I'm only remembering this jump. Oh my god, this fuck. This is what I'm talking about. I can't keep. So boom, boom. This would have been a loss. Uh, this would. I said this would have been a W, but this would have been a loss. Okay. I wish I remember it. Loss W. I won 5 times. Okay, 5. 1. This is a L. 1, 2, 3. That's my 3 wins. 3, 4. That's 4. So 1. We're in 1. All right. Boom, 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 boom. We don't count this. Boom, 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 boom. This is 1. This is 2. This L. So okay, L. Let's get that right. Let's get that right. So L. Boom. Get that right. We enter another one. Boom, 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 boom. 3. That's a 3. L. That's so. Wait. Do we count this one? So, all right. 1. Oh no, this was our loss. So one, we lose it. We both lose this. All right. Let's slow down. So boom, we lose. That's we counterfire that as one. Boom, boom, boom. We win this one. We win this one. That we counted that one. We counted that one. Two and two, one and one. So that's one and one. Come here. Two. We didn't lose this one yet. Two. So that's two for two, three, three wins. Three wins in a L. Four wins in a L. Three wins. One, one, two, three, four. Four wins. Oh my gosh. One win, two win, three win, four win. One win, didn't lose, lost. So that's two L's. That's three L's. So that's three L's off the three so that's three L's off the L. And then you enter this one again. We said we win this one. You're gonna push up, push up. That's a W. That's a W. We still haven't hit this one yet. Still haven't. And it never hit stop loss. So we don't like that one. We won't take that one. But what time is it? All right, it's almost 7:30, so we probably be done. So boom, boom. Never hits here. Boom, boom. We pull out the fib. See what it's talking about. Let's see what the fib. You can still respect the fib right here. It's time. It's probably 5:30, 7:30. So boom, 7:30. Never hits here. Almost it might hit here to be honest. So this is what we got. We 5-1 and 2-3. Let's see if it does. I really want to see. We're gonna play it back. So boom. Okay, it does hit here. We'll play it back. So in all honesty, fuck. That 3-1 RR is better. It is because you're winning 3%, 3%, 3%, 9%. You lose 3. You won 5. You lost 4. So you gain 4% on this one right here. You gain 4. Say you gain. This is 4%. You gain 4%. But on this one, you gain 6. Maybe even a little more. In all honesty. In all honesty. You might even gain a little more. So this is what it is. Damn, that's tough. So with a 3-1 RR, with a 2.7, and that 2.7, that's really more than 3. Because look, can we get precise measure? I don't. All of them should be the same though. Kinda like if we measure it to right here, to right here, 3.6. It's really about the threes. Like let's see, 3.16. Oh my god. 3.6. We see how sometimes it's higher. I don't know. Maybe I'm just not 3.5. This one. 3.2. It's majority more than 1 3 point, but that's scary. I don't know. Maybe you get 4% on a 5.30 to 7 off a 1-to-1 RR, and then for the 3-to-1 R, you get 6%. You lose 3 times, you win 3 times. You win 5 times, you lose once. In all honesty, I think this was just a good day for the RR. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. I think this was just a good day to be in this area for right now. I don't think. I really don't think. I still think this one is a little bit better to 4%. But if this can, if it's in a, this was just very trendy today. If it's in a real trendy market, like if it's in a ranging, you can still survive off this because it could range, smack one, go back down, smack one, go back down, smack one. But it's so trendy. Look how trendy this bitch is. So even if you enter the 3-to-1, look how it goes up, 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 it goes up. So you're surviving off the trend. You're surviving off the trend. So we can write keynotes here. 3-to-1 RR was better this day due to a very bullish trend. That's what I can remember off this 3-to-1 R7. All right, and then we put it for the 5:30 to 7:30.550 entry. Entry. So this is what I can write. The 3, it was better. I don't think it would be better most days, but that's what over testing for. We're going to test. We just put that on our sticky. Now we're going for nearbys. So nearbys is 7:30. Boom. We're going to press the replay button, and because we just want to see where it would have hit. So we're going from 7:30. Okay, let's see. We're still on a positive note. So boom, boom. A nearby is created here. Depends on what you want to do. Because this is a cool nearby right here. Right here is a cool nearby. So it comes up here, wicks, comes up, saying you can't enter. We're not going to counterfeit. I think it's an enter though, because we really didn't see it in real time. So if that was another red, I would have said enter. Boom, boom. Yeah, I like this nearby. So I like how this looks. It's not. Doesn't. It's not happening. Yeah, I wouldn't enter this bullshit. Or maybe I would. I don't know. Probably not. I have to stick to your plan. So boom. It's another nearby. I would enter. So let's be realistic. If it wicks up, I'll enter. I'll enter that. Might have never hit stop loss. Might have hit, might have not. That's an L for the nearby. You see, I'm not liking the nearby as much, bro. I'm really not no more. Like the nearby for 30 is cool though. That's the crazy thing. For 30 is cool. For 30 is real cool. I don't like it. I'm not even going to test the 3-to-1 RR nearby. I wouldn't. This is an EI. So if it wakes up and comes back down, so 1, 2, wakes up. It gotta touch it again. So boom. So let it come back down. Let it snow. All right, boom. Boom. maybe you enter off this depending on how you feel. I don't really like this. I ain't gonna lie. I don't. But let's see if it does hit it. It does. I don't like this. So is that a clean EI for me? Cause I ain't gonna lie, it's holding on to EMA, but me, a nigga like me, ain't really thinking too hard off this. Like I would want to see a deeper retracement. I would. Cause even if this lost, I would have said, man, that's a. That's why I don't like myself sometimes. I don't be liking myself sometimes. So we're not gonna count that. Like if it comes back down, we'll count that as the ER. So boom, with things we don't. So boom, with with. I ain't gonna lie. This is a wick comes down, wick comes down. I will answer this. Maybe. So we can count that as an air bar. We not gonna count that as an ER though. So wick comes up, wick comes up. He should instead of. I just wanted to see like a deeper retracement. So wick, that's a loss. So wick comes up, wick. We can count that as a L. Why? Because boom, it comes here, wicks down, wicks down. I see this large wick. I would have entered. Yeah, I enter. I enter that shit. Let's delete this though. Nah, we're not gonna delete that. We're gonna delete this thing. No, delete it. God damn. God damn. Mm. See EI coming about. Boom, boom. I would kind of like this EI. So boom, it comes up. Boom, it comes up again. Boom, boom. Nah, man. Oh my god, yeah. I don't want to delete this. We're going to delete this. It's in a way. So where can I enter? I don't see no entry. I don't see an entry for the EI. Oh my gosh. I can maybe get an entry. This would be a good. I think I did enter off this. Did I? I think this is where I entered from. No, yeah, I think this. I think I lost. Oh no, I didn't even enter off this. It is, I ain't gonna lie. Go is creating a lot of EIs. So one, two, one, two. Like this EI, I'm not mad off. It wakes up. It comes up a little bit. It comes all the way back down. Wakes here. Comes back all the way back down. Wakes here. Oh my gosh, we lose this EI too. Cause look, boom. So that's a loss. Comes here. So wick, wick. All right, wick. And it ain't really no good entry. Still not a good entry because there's no two red candles. I like that. I like that. I like it. I like this. I like this because it's a strong push. You got two red candles. I don't like these red candles. Don't get me wrong. I don't. I like that though. I like that. I do. Even if it lost, I still do. I still like it. I don't give a fuck. Goddamn. So nearby EI. So boom. Boom is pushing. So what can I notice? Now I'm noticing is in a ranging market. To be honest, that's what I should have noticed. It's another EI, as in recreate another EI from right here. So boom. I don't really. It's in a ranging, as you can see. So look. What I could notice is this. I could have just waited. To be honest, I could have just said like this. Here's what I could have really did today. As you can see, is ranging. And ranging, I could just look for straight EIs. So boom. That's it. I think this is the one. I ain't gonna lie. I entered this EI. So boom. 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 This I entered right here. I would have entered this EI right here, Not even this is clean. This is clean. Even though it loses. Because I'm thinking. So boom, wick, boom, wick, boom. Yeah. I like that. I ain't gonna lie. I like the EI. I ain't gonna lie. Everything I'm taking today, like granted, fuck the nearby. I'm not even taking no nearbys to be honest. Every EI I'm taking, because it might be a breakout soon. I can live with that. I can even though I'm losing off the EIs, it's good EIs I'm taking. Because look, Wicks, it's not breaking here. I'm looking, it's not breaking here, even in range and market. It's not breaking. It can go up. It's not breaking. It wicks. It comes up. I'm thinking it's gonna go up. This is just a very rangy market because look at this. I take this nine times out of 10. I keep taking it. So I'm not even mad. This might be our first losing day. So since it's ranging, you can really take anything like boom, boom. Since it's ranging, it's to a golden point. This is a nice one. Still doesn't hit stop loss. If it just lose, we gonna say loss. So that's a nearby. Goddamn. So look. The nearbys, it's like it was probably way more nearbys, like right here. No, not really. Not I think about it. Ain't even a lot of nearbys. So nearby, boom, boom. This could quantify as a nearby. We're not gonna count that. So boom, wick, boom, never comes down. Boom, wick, boom, never comes. Boom, wick, boom. Yeah, it hasn't been a lot of nearbys. I like the EAs I'm taking. 530 has treated me blessed. It's 11. We have to speed up the process. Not really. Oh my gosh. So boom, boom. So all right. Check this out. All right. So wick comes wick. You probably just entered the sale. So wick comes. Oh my, we won this sale. So wick comes. What the fuck? How did I win this? So okay. Wick rock comes back to 50. Yeah, okay. Now it wicks come wicks come wick. You probably can't. I enter off the sale though. Most likely you can enter off the sale because wick. come wick, come wick. Like if anything, you would enter off the sell, but we're just gonna discard that. So boom, it's going back up to the upside in the ranging market. Just remember that. Or it could come back down. Boom. It's in the ranging. Let's see what it does. You wait, we waited. So boom, it breaks out of this ranging. See if it comes back in the range, or it just breaks another nearby. I ain't gonna lie, this is nasty work. So 1 wick, 2 wick doesn't. This EI doesn't want to even work. So yeah, this is just nasty. So boom. Let's see. It's not really giving us clear indication. All right, this is a nearby. Like wick. There was no nearby formed against us. This is a nearby formed against us. Nearby doesn't happen. We delete it. Nearby doesn't happen. This market is nasty. This market is nasty. So wick. So wick comes out wick. I really don't like. You know what? It's a range. I wouldn't take no sell. I wouldn't take no buy. Now it comes back in the range, and now we're gonna look. So it comes back in this range, and so boom, wait, it doesn't. All right, now I like this. I really do. I really do. So comes here. I like this one. Comes up. If it comes up, we enter. Okay. I like it. I really I do. I like it. I really I do. I'm telling you, like this, like I ain't gonna lie, like this is below this is the ranging. That's look, this is ranging. So we have to sometimes we have to go on market conditions sometimes. Don't overthink it sometimes. If this is in a ranging market, it's in a range. You have to notice it's in a ranging market. So it broke out of this range. This is our area. It sells. It comes back up above this line. Buy, because it's broke this. It doesn't want to drop. So we'd have just sold. So wait, doesn't sell. Wait. We don't. Now you see it's going up. Look, now you see it's going up. Wait. Wait. Wake up. You could have bought right here. There's another EI. It's kind of like an EI right here. So wick. That's a nice EI right there. The only thing I don't like, because it's like I want to draw EIs for even losers. Like, what if this was an EI, but it just didn't lose? So let's go. Like, all right, wait. This is kind of how no, because it's too much. It's too much. So wait. So 2 EIs. Wait to enter off that. So wick. So that nearby. Let's delete this. We know we not putting no nearbys in no 3 to R. That shit will fuck us up. We don't even win that much off nearby. See if it drops. Oh man, I was looking at that. You can enter. You can. Come right here. It's kind of respecting it. It's respecting it. I like it. I like it. I really I do. It's about 2 o'clock. So boom, boom. No nearby is formed against us. Come on, drop. It's like it had to be. You can't enter this. You can't. Where? It's nasty. You don't enter this. You don't. Red candles need to drop a little more. Boom. So boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Nearby is formed. I'm not. So wick comes down. Wick comes down. We're gonna say we lost for the fact we lost, bro. We need to have some realistic fucking answers in here. I would answer that. I like it. I like it. I really I do. So wick comes up. You can answer that. No shit is formed against us. So boom, wick. I like this. Hold up. You might have. Wait. I like. Yeah. I'm entering that. Hopefully it wins. Yo, I like it. I like it. I really I do. You see, it's like I'm telling you, it mainly, bro. What I have noticed is 5:30 to 7:30, and what time I said 1:30 to 4. Like, what time is it here? It's about all right. This is about 1:30. All right, 1:30. Let's go to 1:30. Look. One. Okay, 12. This is 1:30. 1:30 to 4. Look, already a win. Boom comes wick nearby. Come on. This is where we start winning. Nearby. Come on. So 1:30 to 4, I love. And then 5:30 to 7:30, I'm love with this strategy. Cause I be losing. I be losing with like morning time. And that's not good. That's not good. That's not good. I'm telling you. So look, that's 5 and 3 with the nearby. One in with a 3-1 RR with the EI where I entered, we entered 1 to 2. But that's still 1%. You still gain money. And then the 5:30 to 7:30, you can either gain 4% if you do 1-to-1 RR. But if you do the 3-to-1 RR, you gain 6%. I still like the 4% more because it was just a very trendy day today. If you have a range in market or different market conditions, it will mess you up. So I like the 4%. Maybe it was 4% today, and maybe it was 6% today, but it's not going to be 6% every day. Look how trendy the market was. So the nearby 5 and 3, but I noticed. Look how trendy it was. That's why I said them 3 R's was killing. Boom, 5 to 3. Boom. Because you can trade 5 to 3. That's early in the morning. I like trading. Like my best times is 5:30 to 7. That's why I put 5:30 to 7. Boom. You can enter crazy. I always like even like let's go to like previous. Like just go to previous wins. Look at this. 5:30, I win too damn much. Today, 5:30, 4 and 2, 3 and 2, 5 and 1, 4 and 2. I got some on the other one, but I don't want to change pairs right now. I'm retesting. But you get the drift. 5:30 wins consistently. 5:30 wins consistently and consistently. For this strategy, it wins consistently. So sometimes I wake up at 5:30 and I just be done with the day. Or my second favorite time is 1:30 to 4. You don't have to be like everyone and trade during this New York time. Just find where your strategy fits best. Get your edge in the market, get your money, and get out. Because when I'm trading in, well, I call this the 8 o'clock through 12:30, which is New York time. That's my least hit time. Look, I lost. That's when I lost my two EI 3-to-1 RRs. I probably lost about. I probably lost all the nearbys in 8:30 through 12. In all honesty, and 7:30 to 10. This is why I took at 7:30 to 10. Either you could have went 5-1 or 3-3. That's the 5:30 so good. I said, let me try it in 2 different ways, and it's still good. Like, come on. And I'm about to do gold. No, I'm about to do US 30 next. US 30. Oh my gosh. US 30 is way better than gold, too. It's way better. It's way better than gold. That's crazy. It's way better than gold. So, like, we're kind of done for today. It's what time? It's 4:45. We're not trading no more. My end time is what, 4 o'clock. We're done for today. Boom, let it ride out. All right, you don't want to trade that nasty. Time is done. So this is what we did for today. I only traded once today, and I traded the gold EI, but I lost it, and that was around what? That was at 9-10 o'clock. Let me see. This is my real one. This is the only one I took. So I took one L today. But these are every setup I took and showed y'all on this live. That's every setup I would take. But I usually wake up at 5:30 and kill. I wake up. I just didn't wake up 5:30 today. I usually just wake up 5:30 and I'll be good. So I took this one right here, and it just didn't work. And yeah, I just took the 5, and I would have took more. I just didn't really feel like it. I was on the phone with my aunt, my friends. I wasn't really motivated today. I'm not gonna lie to you. Monday, I felt good from last week. So let's go to US 30. Now US 30. US 30. 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30. I'm gonna delete this. Now we're still gonna test that 3-to-1 RR. So we get gold. Oh no, this is gonna take another 20 minutes. So US 30. This is 5-2. We clone. We stretch. We work. So now today is the 5th. So today is the 5th. Nearby. Delete them. L's, we delete them. ER, we delete them. We delete them. And we delete them. We delete them. We delete them. Then we go over here to, let's move it over a little bit more. 2.272 RR 3-1. Back this up, matter of fact. Boom, boom. That's too far out. You still back it up a little more. Just a little more. And one more. All right, that looks perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. So we're going to take stats for this. right here. Yup. Now 5:30, 7. What do I see 30 going? It's going to look like it's selling. Look like it's selling off. It can switch. I will switch if it wants to switch. Let's see what 1 minute is doing because it's look boom, boom. It doesn't want to break here. If it switch, it just switch. And it's kind of on the upper echelon of buys. But I don't give a fuck what it is. If it don't want to switch, it just doesn't want to switch. I'm not one of them niggas follow the trend. We go to 30, we analyze. Like that's over. I ain't gonna lie. I hate over analyzation motherfuckers. Stop over analyzing the market. You don't have to go an hour a day, but the day got the candle of the but it got a bullish momentum, and the bearish candle. It got the doji candle, and the doji candle say it's supposed to go up on the day, but I analyzed the 1 hour, and no, that's too much. It's not like you buy or sell. It's 50-50. So I just look at the 5, see the direction. Maybe it wants to go up, maybe go down. As of right now, it's going down. I go to 1 minute. If it's not going down no more, it's just not going down. I don't care. So as of right now, probably won't enter nothing. It's 5:30. Let's get to work. Comes down. Boom, boom. I call this a save the bell candle. Like if it wakes up, it's kind of like trying to save it, but we count it as a first loss. Oh shit. So we'll count it L and I and I. So let's get it. No candle shall form against us. No candle shall form against us. Like, this is nasty. I don't really believe in a sell. As of right now, I don't believe in a sell. I just don't. Like, I wouldn't sell. So, boom. I just don't see good candles to enter off of. So, boom, I like that. Especially, I don't see a sell. I definitely don't see no sell. Don't give me 2 L's, though. So, that's 1. The candle should form against us. I think 30 actually did okay today, though. I didn't know gold was going to do. I thought 30 was going to be the one. Maybe gold. I don't know. I didn't trade gold like that. It just looked nasty to me. So, boom. We're still in this one. No shit shall form against us. No shall form against us. That's a W. If you want to enter again, sure. Let's say we enter again. If it push up. Yeah, we entered. So that's a L. We still in this one. Okay, how much? So we entered 4. We would have lost what? God damn, we would have lost 3. So boom. 1. Yeah, we'd have lost. All right, we didn't lose that one. We lost this one. Lost that one. So damn, we'd have lost 3. Oh yeah, let's get 2 more reds. I like this. I enter this. How much points this is? I gotta see how much points. Fucking the market. 5 points. It is 30. It moves at a better clip. Let's see if it does. So that's a W. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Let's see if it. So, ooh, god damn! I told you, I'm not too far on the 530. Okay, hold up. Nah, I'm not gonna enter this one. This is too nasty. Why? Because it's too much ranging. It's too much. Like I stop after this. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe it is gonna go. I entered 3-1 though. Like this is the shit I entered. Like this is where I would change up to 3-1. Like I wouldn't just enter 3-1. But now if I do see this, I am willing to enter 3-1. I am because it's like it's gonna break out soon. So boom. I entered this shit. I would have entered this shit. Let's see. Let's just see here from here. Nah, I don't like this. Nah, I don't like the yeah. Don't answer that shit. I don't like that one. Too little. Oh, it never hit here. It never hit. It never. Oh, did it? Where I entered from? That's the. Oh, hold up. Oh my gosh. Oh no! It never hit. So boom, boom. So does oh, it never hit here again. So how much? We four. So we're four. So four. Hopefully it's here. Oh my god. I wouldn't enter these. It's not a. It's not a. No, it and it works too. It's not at least a little bit. It's like nah. I don't. Low key, I wouldn't enter these bitches. Oh, maybe this one. Let's see. Maybe this. Let me see how much points that is. Nah, I don't like that shit. Yeah, I don't like this one. I probably went into that bitch. I went into that shit. God damn, it never hit. Oh my god. So 3 and 2. So even like just say if we went sale wise. So weekly, I ain't gonna lie, weekly, boom, 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 1, 2, goddamn, 2, loss, 3, 4, loss, loss, no, doesn't lose. Yep, loss. Yeah, I like the way I went. Where I went, let me go back to 500, and I was buying. Oh wow. So loss and buy, I feel good about both. I ain't gonna lie. So set, even if you want to sell, so set like you switch. Like I bought buys because I'm like, all right, it's about to break this. So even if you want to sell, so sell, that's a loss. Then and so if this one sell, that's a that's a W. That's one sell. That's a loss. Sell. That's a W. That's 2 out of 2. Sell. That's 3 out of 2. Come here. Sell. That's 4 out of 2. Sell. 4 out of 3. Sell. 4 out of 4. I would have been 4 out of 4 instead of 3 out of 2. Tough. I went with buys though. All right, 7. We just gotta see what it hit. Boom. Wow. So that's why I don't look at this. I don't think we're gonna keep it up for much longer. Like I said, it was very trendy today. I like the 530. I do. I really do. But damn it, if I ever seen this, I would have been heated. I'd have been very heated. Now let's go back from. Now let's replay from here. We're gonna start. Yeah, we're gonna start from. We just start from 7:30. Start from 7:30. So boom, and his share comes down, wakes up. This is shit I like. So wakes up, nearby with the sell. Like I said, I don't mind selling. I don't. Nearby sell. Boom. And we can write something like, I ain't gonna lie. So that's a nearby. I probably do something like this. Something in this area. Like that. We could tell this is in a ranging, so we just gonna take advantage of the ranging. So boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. It breaks out. Comes back up above. It's just playing around. Wick, wick, wick. Comes up. Wick, wick. I like this. I like this. It might be telling me it wants to come off. But this is something I'll take to like right here. Like let me see. Ooh, ooh, I like that. Ooh, I like it. I like it. I like it. Oh, I think I lost this one. Yes, I did. I like that one though. I ain't gonna lie. In all honesty, I like this one. I like this nearby. I really do because it's showing me it doesn't really want to break. Like it just some shit gotta happen. Some stuff and it just has to happen. It just has to happen. Like it just can't win all the time. Like this is confirmation. Like wait. Oh my gosh, it's not breaking. It comes to the 50. It was so strong. I think it'd just like if it hit here then went down, fine. But sometimes it's not a perfect market. It's not. It wakes up. It wakes up. This is something I would take advantage of. Let's see. Wakes up. Wakes up. It's in a nice range of market right now. Don't really see anything. Let's see if we can create any EIs. We can create. I think we did create. Did I create any EIs? EIs was probably formed. I probably just didn't. Okay, EIs was formed. I know EIs was formed. Because look at it's just this EIs is nasty. Like, let's see. One, two. Oh no, we're not gonna count those EIs. Yeah, we're not gonna count anything from above. So yeah, no. Oh, this EI is formed. Yeah, nowhere in hell is where it's entry. That's an EI though. That's it. I say, yeah. I don't mind this, y'all. Don't like this one. Can't really never re-enter. Never really. I like this, y'all. I do. I do. I do. Yeah, I like this, y'all. I do. Not. I like this, y'all. Not even going to try to be like, this is nah. I'm not going to do it because I probably kind of say, y'all. Now, it's still in the range, you know. Don't get it twisted. This is the ER. I would have thought, hey, it doesn't want to break. Let's get a wick. And I probably would have pushed it down farther to here. I like this. That ranging, you can profit off the ranging, but if it's ranging too much like today, like a Monday, what range? I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna wake up at 5:30. Hopefully, 9 o'clock, 10. If I go to sleep, I should go to sleep soon. So, okay. So it should form against us. Go ahead, mine is going back down to here. Still in a range of market. If it goes down, it goes down. That's a good nearby. Where did I answer from 30 from? Oh, the 30 I caught was actually yeah. What time is it? It's about to be like 9:30. We're gonna skip out on that 9:30 candle. Boom. What is it? It's the 9:30, 9:28, 9:29, 9:30. We gonna just zoom up a little bit. All right, boom. It's about 10. All right, you like how this is looking? Oh, I like this. I like this. I like this. I like these. I think I lost on. Oh, I like these. That's how you know I lost on this one. Oh, I did. Whoa, where did I lose that then? Oh, okay. Okay. That's too early, Vaughn. Nah, that's not even too early. It's just, man, man, man. I ain't mad. I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at that. If I look back and I'm not mad at the trade, I'm not mad at. I'm not mad. I am not mad. Can we do so? Let's just do a 1 and a 1 because I took that. We took that trade. We not going to spend that. I'm not mad at this trade. I'm not. I am not mad at this one either. I'm not mad at this one. So boom. Damn, US 30 looking pretty average today. This shit looking average like a bitch. I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. From Sarah, Wicks. Nah, we're not gonna take that. We'll take this one though. Doesn't come. Boom. Boom. Oh yeah, I'll take that. Boom. I like that. I like that. I like that. Nearby's too. No, I ain't gonna lie. For 30, I love them nearby. For 30, them nearbys be killing. Like EIs be killing for gold. That's what I've noticed. But damn. This stat look nasty. That shit look nasty. What time is it? 12:30. I don't think we get too much more. Okay. I enter. This is too small, like too enter, like too small, too small. Like it ain't even really that it's too small. It's the fact these prop like this really might be too small though. Okay, let's see. Because 530 is even. Oh no, it's not. Okay. So smack, smack comes up, smack. We're not gonna count this. Smack, smack. Wait, I'll count this one off. We'll count this one if it comes off. So we lose that one. Now I want to count. Now I want to count it. It'd be like that. Wait. Now I want to count it. Now I want to count it. I really do now. I really do. Oh my gosh. Whoa. We probably would have counted this one too. I ain't gonna lie, we'd have counted this. Yeah, I would have counted this. I'll count them. Is 30 gonna have his first L day? Now I wanted to count that. I'm counting that, bro. Because I'm counting real no, I'm counting this one, bro. I would have took it. I would have took that one. So I would have took that one. Get the drop. Get the drop. Damn. I still like 30s nearby. Not a big enough. Come on. This shit was nasty. I would have answered. I would have answered that shit. Yeah, I would have answered. Let's see. Now when so wait, comes out. Damn. Nah, I wouldn't. I'm just gonna count it a L. Oh my gosh. What is it? It's two. Oh my god. Right now we can tell sun is up. Mm, about three. Once it hit about six, we're gonna be done with this shirt. I like it. I like it. I really I do. Oh man, I should have pushed up. Whoa, whatever makes you pray. Cause I got it when I want it now. Whoa, everyone misses a pray. Still gonna have now. I'm gonna feel so good. Cause you got it when you want it right now. Nah, take that shit out. Vaughn, take that shit out. We'd have sold. Cause look, even like so, boom. So smack comes up with, and what time is it? 4:30. Yeah, hell yeah, we'd have been done. So, ooh, is this the first L in 30's history? Now this is, oh shit, it's an L. 5 and 6, 1 L, 3 and 2. Look, 3 point. It was no EIs formed against us. Wow, this is not looking good. So this is not looking good. I didn't want no negative days on this shit. I don't like that. That's our first negative day. It was because it's a lot of range and nasty shit going on today. So that's what I got for today. And yeah, man. Like, comment, subscribe, and we out of here. We don't want to take up too much time.